So I'm going to show you how to draw a robin, starting with simple shapes. I'm going to use a pencil to start off with. I'm going to draw lightly and then I'm going to go over it with pen. So I'm not going to worry so much about making mistakes or anything about this at this point. So I'll start with a circle for a head, then a triangle for a beak, and then I'm going to put a little triangle here for a neck, and then an oval for the body, and then another oval but more like a teardrop for a wing, then a triangle for the tail, and then coming off the triangle is a pretty long rectangle. And then I'll have some legs. Could just do rectangle, long rectangle, and then a simple shape like that. And then I think I'll do the same thing to show the other set of the other leg. Okay, and then we got a circle for an eye. They have a pretty big eye, those robins. Alright, so that's kind of like my underdrawing using simple shapes. My head is a little bit small, so I'm going to just lightly redraw my circle a little bit bigger. Like that. So now I'm just going to go over this with a pen. I think I will just outline it. Maybe I'll outline it in gray. So I'm just gonna, and I'm gonna curve up the beak a little bit. So I'm just kind of, I'm gonna refine my drawing a little bit with the marker. And the wing actually comes longer than this. The wing goes all the way down to here. And then if I want to, I could erase my pencil lines. So maybe I'll take a, I'm going to take a photo of this so you can see it up close, where I'm at to now. Now I'm going to add color to this. I wanted to mention though also, I'm looking at a photograph while I do this, so that can be really helpful. If you want to draw something realistic, it can be helpful to have a photograph of what you're drawing near you. Okay, so I'm going to put another circle inside this circle for the eye, because the eye isn't quite that big. Oh, and I didn't add the grass, so I could add in some grass shapes. Could just make a bunch of long triangles. Robins like to spend a lot of time on the ground looking for worms. Okay, I think maybe I'll start with the beak, since it's up here. The beak's kind of orange. But I think I'll add yellow to it too, eventually. And the breast, robin red breast, the breast starts about down here. I could do strokes like this, kind of look feathery. Sometimes these are called hatch marks. And now I think I'll add some yellow to the beak. Oh, that's fluorescent yellow, I didn't mean to do that. Didn't know that was fluorescent yellow, whoops. I could erase my pencil lines at this point if I wanted to. but I'm just gonna leave them in there because I think it'll look kind of interesting. Now I'll add some gray. And if I wanted at the texture of the feathers, I could do lines like this. They kind of look feathery. And you could use these general shapes for any songbird or any, or small birds that you see. Robin is a type of songbird. I think I'll make the feet. I don't actually know what color their feet are, but I'm gonna make them gray. And now I'm gonna go in with my black pen, and there's a lot of black to be put in here. They actually have some stripes under here. My pen's drying up a little bit. Maybe I'll add another dark line over here, a little shadow line. That's already looking like a robin pretty much. I think it looks weird that the ground's not colored in, so I could put in some green. But maybe you could add more things in your picture. But this is kind of just a way to get started using simple shapes. There's a robin.